who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Union Bank of India. Answer is number 2, Ashish Pandey, who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Central Bank of India. Answer is number 5, Kalyan Kumar, who has been elected as the 37th President of Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI). Answer is number 3, Mithun Manos. Which airport has recently received the DGCA aerodrome license, paving the way for the start of its operation? Answer is number 1, Navi Mumbai International Airport, who inaugurated the Joint Air India Airbus pilot training facility in Gurugram, Haryana. Number 4, K. Ramohan Naidu. Which company developed the radio access network for BSNL indigenous 4G network inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Answer is number 1, Tejas Network, who inaugurated the 3rd Unmesh International Literature Festival in Patna, Bihar. Answer is number 5, Arif Muhammad Khan. Under which scheme has Kisware district been selected as an aspirational agriculture district? Answer is number 3, Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhyan Krishi Yojana. Which village Telangana has become India's second fully solar power village? Answer is number 1. Which institute did Cell Management Training Institute sign Memorandum of Understanding with Promote Future Ready Leadership? Answer is number 2, IIM Jammu. Which bank was fined the 31.8 lakh by RBI for branch predatory sector lending norms? Answer is number 2, India Overseas Bank. What growth rate has the Asian Development Bank projected for India for financial year 2025 to 2026 and 2026 to 27? Answer is number 5, 6.5%. In which state did the Indian Army conduct the drone Kavach exercise? Answer is number 3, Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian swimmer won 2 silver medals on the opening day of the 11th Asian Aquatics Championship 2025? Answer is number 1, Srihari Nataraj, who won India's first ever gold in women's compound individual event at the Para World Archery Championship. Answer is number 4, Sheetal Devi. Which Spanish footballer announced the retirement at age 37 after the final season with Inter Miami? Answer is number 2, Sergio Busquets. On which date is International Translation Day observed every year? Answer is number 5, 30 September. Who has taken charge the new Commerce Secretary of India, succeeding Sunil Bharadwaj? Answer is number 2, Rajesh Agrawal, who has taken charge the new Director General of NCC in October 2025. Answer is number 4, LT General Virendra Bhatt, who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Sony Picture Network India till 2029. Answer is number 1, Gaurav Banerjee. By how much percent has the Union Cabinet approved the hike DA and DR for central government employee and pensioner from July 1, 2025? Answer is number 3, 3%. How many Kendriya Vidyalaya has the cabinet approved with an outlay of more than 5,862 crore? Answer is number 5, 57. From which date will the government mandate AVAS in the all existing electric vehicle models in production? Answer is number 1 October 2027. Who launched the Swachh Shehar Jodi initiative under the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban and Sonipat, Haryana? Answer is number 4, Manohar Lal Khattar. Who is chair the newly constituted Payment Regulatory Board of the Reserve Bank of India? Answer is number 5, RBI Governor. According to RBI, what is the total value of 2000 banknotes still in circulation as of September 30, 2025? Answer is number 3, 5,884 crore. Tata AIG General Insurance had tied up with which bank for insurance distribution through a banca insurance agreement? Answer is number 2, Equitas Small Finance Bank. Which bank in collaboration with Free Recharge launched India first gold bracket credit line on UPI? Answer is number 4, Axis Bank. Which company partnered with PhonePe to launch the Tap and Pay contactless payment feature in India? Answer is number 2, MasterCard. Which Indian state has 2 wetlands recently designed the Ramsar site taking India total to 93? Answer is number 3, Bihar. In which valley of Madhya Pradesh was the first health center recently inaugurated? Answer is number 3, Patalkot Valley. Which district has been declared India's first child marriage free district? Answer is number 5, Balot. Which FMCG company signed a non-binding memorandum of understanding with the Ministry of Food Processing Industry for an investment of 2,000 crore? Answer is number 1, Tata Consumer Product. In which Indian state will Tata Advanced System build the Airbus H125 helicopter final assembly line? Answer is number 4, Karnataka.